Hey guys, Ramsey again here from Ramsey Corp in West Milford, New Jersey. Let's take a look at this 2009 Ford F-350. Do a quick walk around for you. Again, that's a 350 heavy duty. If you're looking for one of these, give us a call ASAP. These don't last long. Four-wheel drive. Let's look at the inside. Bed too. Remember, we offer financing, we take trades. Credit is not a problem, we take all kinds of credit. For more information on this truck, go to ramseycorp.com or call us at 973-492-5157. Again, 973-492-5157. Thanks.